Ripple XRP in China, making some serious progress, although quite a controversial country and economy, politically speaking. Nonetheless, quite the economic giant to be moving forward on the XRP ledger. Let's go ahead and get into it, guys. Overall cryptocurrency market not doing the greatest today. A lot of top cryptocurrencies just got exposed as scams and being completely insolvent, and whatever else you might want to say is going on. A lot of top cryptocurrencies got exposed for being fraudulent, like all at the same time. I'm talking billion-dollar platforms, probably billion-dollar per week volume at least. 3 of them all got exposed, and market's been brought down, but got some great prices now. We're looking to bottom out and head back to these all-time highs. A lot of Twitter is saying they believe the bear market is here, the bull market's over. At least speaking for just XRP, I don't think it's the bear market yet. Too early to call that, in my opinion. All right, anyways, we got trending Terra Classic up 7%, basically the OG Terra that crashed from $90 to less than 1 penny. And Terra Classic USD is up 118% today. Terra blockchain has officially halted, and UST has remained depegged from the US dollar since May 9, 2022. So, guys, looks like I've got a little bit of degenerate gambling going on over here. Do what you will with this information. Coming out from Tehel Benedict XRP, Ripple customer Lian Global, who we've known about for a few years now, China's 3rd largest non-bank payments company. Let's go ahead and check this out, guys. Lian Global launches United States cross-border wallet for e-commerce retailers and entrepreneurs. Lian Global, a leading global cross-border payment service provider, today announced the launch of its multi-currency cross-border wallet after securing licenses to operate in all 50 states. The cross-border digital wallet is designed to make payments faster, more accessible, and cheaper than the traditional cash and bank transfers for U.S.-based retailers and merchants that can sell their products internationally on marketplaces such as Allegro, Amazon, Cdiscount, Frugo, and I believe that's something from the Netherlands or Germany. But interesting point here is that it's faster, more accessible, and cheaper than the traditional cash and bank transfers. So this is obviously not your typical run-of-the-mill bank transfer product. This is something much, much different considering U.S. cross-border, and this has been a partner of Ripple for a very long time. I believe 4 or 5 years ago, Lian Global was on the Ripple website. I know Ripple website has changed many, many, many times since we first started this channel, but at one point, Lian Global was like, their name was plastered all over like the customers list. So again, 3rd largest non-bank payments company. Data Catalyst found that almost 70% of United States small, medium enterprises use third-party online marketplaces for their web store or their web store. 70% of United States SMEs use third-party online marketplaces or their web store, with most firms opting to use multiple online markets. However, despite having such a significant digital presence and many selling to various countries, cross-border payments remain a significant challenge for U.S. businesses, especially small, medium-sized organizations looking to make payments in less familiar emerging market currencies in Africa, Asia, and Middle East. For instance, the evolving international regulatory requirements and capital control policies concerning transferring moving funds in local currencies add a considerable compliance burden for many U.S. e-commerce businesses. This is particularly true in relation to China, Vietnam, or any other vital Asian supply hubs. Such supplier payment challenges can significantly impact the supply of goods and services from those regions. Lian Global's cross-border wallet addresses these concerns by enabling U.S. businesses to make and receive payments or convert U.S. dollars to certain regional currencies very quickly and compliantly. I mean, although we're in a little lawsuit with the SEC right now, Ripple is actually highly, highly regulatory compliant all across the world, unlike some of these, pop-up cryptocurrencies that, scam everyone and disappear. So, look, the reality is you've got a lot of volume between United States and China. A lot of these, United States small, medium enterprises, e-commerce stores, what they do is, I'm not saying they're all drop shipping, but they do something pretty similar, whether they already, pre-source the product before they sell it or they fulfill orders as they come in. But a lot of money comes in and out of both China and U.S. going back and forth, back and forth. Not sure if you guys are aware, but there's an area called Shenzhen in China, I believe. Dude, my geography is not the best because I'm American, but I believe it's somewhere near Guangzhou, Guangdong. But there's this place called Shenzhen, and it is like the Silicon Valley of China. And United States e-commerce businesses do a lot of transactions back and forth, right? So this whole culture in America of, having all these e-commerce websites and sourcing products way cheaper overseas and then flipping them for a nice percentage profit over in America on these e-commerce sites. It's a big, big billion-dollar industry in the U.S. So, guys, Lian Global, China's third largest non-bank payment company, is moving forward with Ripple XRP. Not saying it directly here, but we can infer from the wording in this article that sounds like exactly where this is going. Thank you guys for tuning the video today. Make sure you smash the like, subscribe, check the links in the description for the channel. Make sure you comment down below what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.